beneath the surface of the city, where no human eye has wandered, a secret workforce stirs, tiny, determined, and wildly underpaid. They begin their day like every other.
Let's move it, team. No time for beauty sleep. We've got a limousine to build.
Armed with oversized tools and a blueprint bigger than their living room, the mission begins. First up, the wheels. Each one, a towering mountain of rubber to these micro-mechanics. Teamwork, sweat, and probably a few stubbed toes.
Jenkins, that's not a steering wheel snack. No coffee breaks till those wheels are locked in, people.
With precision and a whole lot of grunting, the crew hauls in the tires like champions of the underworld.